Guys, what's up? Me Ridhima Singh. Today we are going to make Shezwan Maggi in microwave. So let's get started. First we will crush the Maggi. Now we will take it out. This is the taste maker of Maggi. We'll put this. You need to use the microwave safe bowl. If you will not use the microwave safe bowl, then it will be very harmful for you. Now we will adding 1 mug of water. Now we are adding some salt and mix it. Let's move on to our microwave. Now we will set it on high flame at 700 watt and set it for 4 minutes. Open it and put our Maggi with lid over it. And close the door. Our 4 minutes are over and our Maggi is done, and I can feel a nice aroma around my microwave. So take it out. Wow, so nice Maggi it is. You make this Maggi, you will love it. Now we will put Shezwan sauce to it. This is a Ching's secret Shezwan sauce stir fry. I bought it from Big Bazaar at 65 rupees. It's a very tasty sauce that you will eat and love it. And mix this. So this is the tasty microwave Shezwan Maggi, and you will eat at a evening snack and you will love it. If you are new, then subscribe, press the notification bell to never miss my videos. Do share, smash the like button. Let's aim for 25 likes for this video. Wish you a very happy Independence Day. Bye.